Alright, what's going on everyone? So today in this video I'm back with another, the pack is in. We're back with another AirPods video. Man, some HYPEBEAST AirPods, doing a HYPEBEAST AirPods unboxing in this video. Shout out to Skins, they're the sponsor for this video. Just want to say a huge shout out to them. I want to address a few things actually before I even get into this video. They're having a huge Black Friday sale coming on Friday, November 29th. It's the biggest sale of the year that they have, and everything is 40% off. Big things I really want to mention there. Any of the cases, anything that I unbox in this video can be found on the website for 40% off Friday, and you can also use for an additional 20% off. You can always use my code Tristan, so if you want to throw my name in there as a discount code, guess what? Don't help yourself out, you're gonna get another 20% off. So just a few things I want to mention before I get into these. That's where these are coming from, and I'm pretty hyped because we got a few things here, not just AirPods, also phone cases. I believe this is or that's what this is, and my phone is also will fit this one because, you know, they asked me about it before. But yeah, not too much more to say other than if you guys want more content like this, please go ahead, subscribe below, and also drop a like in this video. Please drop that like. Let's even get 100 likes, and just dropping that like lets me know if you all want more content like this, because I always can do that. Not too much more to say other than I hope you guys will enjoy this video, and yeah, hopefully you're subscribed. Let's get started. Usually I toss my phone away, but I'm gonna keep my phone. I'm gonna keep my phone here because, you know, I don't really know. We got a phone case here, so we're gonna obviously put that on the phone. So we're gonna unbox this, you know, simple little tear, all we're gonna need, like that. And we have actually 2 phone cases to unbox, or maybe even 3 here. 3 phone cases to actually try on. So not only do we have AirPods, we got 4 phone. Yo, y'all gotta chill. Y'all surprising me out here. Hold up. All right, so the first one we got is this like Supreme LV one. I'm gonna put this one on, show you all what it looks like. All right, so this one is, see, there was like a little foam thing in the inside. I took it out, but there you go. This is where my phone would go. So I'm gonna take my boring case off, and now y'all gonna see me slide on that new case. Boom. Clips on light just like that, and look at that, right on my phone. You see the red on red right there? There you go, that goes hard. So first phone case, I like it. I mess with this one. Again, all on the website, you can go find them there. But first little phone case, Supreme LV. Second one we got though, I think out of all the ones, this one may be my favorite one, but there's more I have to show you all, you know what I mean? Right here, we got the Louis one, and as you can see, just snaps on right, just like that. Pretty simple. Fully functional, you know, turns my phone on. There you go, we got the LV pattern one. I think this one's pretty dope. I actually might be using this one. I don't know, I mess with it. Like, this one's pretty sick. So I don't know, LV has like phone cases too, but they'd be overpriced, but this one's pretty dope. It's a simple little one. I mean, they killed the little design work on this one. So this one, I think this one's pretty fire. So I got 2 more though. So this one is fire. It's my favorite probably. I just really mess with, I need to get a black LV wallet like this. This one is tough to open, dude, I swear. But next up, just gonna snap it on real quick. We got ready the off-white one, the off-white phone case. I think this one's also kind of sick. You know, it goes to like my off-white tee. I just threw it in the washer. I remember I was gonna wear it because I was assuming they were gonna send me something like this, but this one's pretty cool too. You know, you just got this design right here, and there you go. Just look at all that. Off-white phone case. This one's dope, but dude, can't get over this one. This is some heat, but both are fire. That's how it looks on my phone. iPhone 8 Plus. This case fits perfectly, protects my phone. I like it. I mess with it. Good job. And finally, this one is crazy nice quality. We got the Gucci one, basically on the inside right there. And then basically you can even tell this one has a little slot right here. You can put your credit card and stuff in. So this one's pretty sick, and I really like the design. Basically, it even has like a foam thing on the inside, and it's actually hard plastic, so you can hear that clipping on. This one's actually pretty sick too. So a little phone case right there. Nothing crazy, but you know, you can see that. This one's, I've said, my second favorite, just because like the little extra part right here, this part's fire. But then not to mention actually that you can just put cards and stuff here, like ID, whatever, you know, if you just want to bring that with you, cash, whatever you may put, has a little place you can put it. So I think this had a little cool feature on it. But that's all the phone cases. Here they are, all 4 of them. But yeah, that's just the first part. I think they're all pretty sick. This one's my favorite one. Probably gonna put this one on maybe. But yeah, now I just want to show you all the AirPods. We've got a ton of these, and I got brand new AirPods. So I'm gonna show y'all putting the cases on. Not putting me on the cases. Nobody do that. Don't make a case with my face on it. But yeah, I think I'm kind of asking for that now. But yeah, these are cool. Now time on to the AirPods. So I just got these like a few days ago. Just got another pair of them since I destroyed my last pair. You all can go check out the video. I destroyed a pair of AirPods for fun, but it's like a pair of custom HYPEBEAST AirPods. But these ones just regular, nothing crazy. But we got some cases that we're gonna try on and, you know, put on. So we're gonna unbox that. You know, just a little tear. Nothing crazy will do. Oh, we got a lot of cases. All right, so we have 4 cases here, and they are all on the inside here. 4 different cases I'm actually going to show you all. I'm not going to spoil it, but they're actually, I can tell by the outside, they're like, hold up. These are pretty advanced. Hold up one sec. All right, hold up. So the first one we got right here is just the Supreme LV pattern again, but as you can see, they kind of go in. So it's going to slide the AirPods in like this. But as you can see, look, they spin. This is insane. I don't even know what to think. This is crazy. Shout out Skins. This is like, oh nah, class time is not happening anymore. You got the charging port there too on the bottom of all of them. But that means all of them do this. This is addicting, dude. Just like spinning this. All right, never mind. But yeah, you get the point. This one's pretty sick. I like the design on it too. And the fact that they spin, that's pretty crazy stuff. I like it. And you know, they just pop out right like that. Easy, simple stuff. I like it. But next up, we got the Gucci ones located. Here it is right here. You can see you got the little basic pattern right there. The double G, all nice. And you see, you know, this one spins too. You know, we got nothing in it right now. But here, hold up. AirPods go in. And look at this. Like, little case for my AirPods. And they spin. And this is pretty crazy stuff, man. I don't even know what to think. Oh, gotta close it back up. But there you go. Gucci pattern right there. This one's pretty dope. Charger port right there. I mean, I don't even know what to say. Like, do you have a spinning AirPod? No? Go buy one then. Use my discount code. I'm like, shoot, you want to spin an AirPod case? Hit me up. Shoot. I don't know why I think this is so cool. Like, this is a sick concept. But next up, we got the LV pattern again. If I was trying to match the phone, I'd go with this one. So right here, as you can see, oh, also, by the way, they come with clips so you can clip them to your backpack or whatever, but I wouldn't, personal recommendation, I think this clip is useful, but I wouldn't clip a pair of AirPods to your backpack because, you know, you may trust everyone, may think everyone's nice, but someone will take your AirPods and I will guarantee it. They won't feel bad about it either. They'll change the name and everything and make it like it's theirs, you know, like, shoot. But right here, you know, this one spins too. I mean, they're all spinning, but yeah. Black LV pattern, as you can see, this one's pretty sick too. I think they did a good job. Charging port right there if you want to leave it in the case while charging it, wherever you may be charging it, so people may not be able to tell. There's just like the back pattern. So you can see they got this all over here. I think it's pretty sick. And again, the fact that it spins, I don't know. I just think that's kind of sick. So yeah, you spin it this way, I'm guessing, so the case doesn't go flinging open. But there you go. I gotta spin an AirPods case, LV pattern right here. But we got one more to unbox. We're not done, but I gotta take these out. You know, to take them out, by the way, since a lot of y'all were asking me in the last video, you literally just pop it out, pull it back, because it does pull back, and they just hop out like that. And finally, the last one we got, this one is a black Gucci pattern. I'm gonna let y'all see that. There you go. I'm gonna take this one out too, so don't worry, don't worry. Right here is, you just sort of take it out, and there you go. Look, you just got basically the exact same as the LV pattern, but now a black Gucci pattern. The OG one spins, does all the same stuff. I mean, you just put it in, and hey, you got your AirPods here. I don't know. This is just something different. I mean, I was expecting them to send me AirPods cases, but not ones that like spun like this. Like, pretty crazy stuff. I don't know. Like, see that? Oh, ooh. Okay, who is calling me? It was my mom. Nothing bad. You don't gotta worry. Your boy's staying out of trouble, of course. But going back to this one, black Gucci pattern. Basically, just pull it back, take the AirPods out. Pretty simple stuff. Brand new AirPods case. And shout out Skins, man. They sent a lot of stuff to come through. AirPods cases, all this. Like, I don't know. Just they got a lot of stuff they sent me. Like, look, you match the black Gucci with the black LV. I mean, hey, you know, red LV with red LV. Like, I don't know. They got a lot of cool things here. So shout out Skins. Don't gotta say too much more. Than I'm about to roll the outro, so I'm gonna do that right now. Anyways, thank you all for watching this video. I appreciate every single one of y'all. If y'all want more content like this, don't forget you can subscribe below and also drop a like in this video. Let's try and hit 100 likes. So if you can hit that like button, I'd appreciate it. Don't forget also check out Skins down below. Again, they're doing that huge Black Friday sale on November 29th, this Friday, so stay tuned. It's gonna be a big deal. You know, use my discount code Tristan for 20% off, or you can just go on the website. Everything will be 40% off, so just go check that out. But not too much more to say other than stay tuned for that. And I appreciate every single one of y'all. Let me know what you think down below. You think the cases are dope? You need any help? Go comment that. I don't know, just yeah. Go ahead, comment what you want, but not too much more to say other than I'm Tristan Wick. Thank you all for watching, and I'm gonna see you on the next unboxing AirPods video if I do another soon. So yeah, Hypebeast, I'm out. Peace.